See how nice and smooth goes in? That's the way. Alright. Let's see what's going on here. The oil is kind of old. I was expecting that, but no metal parts. I will give her a little better look. And the same problem with the rubber. You see that? The O-ring. It's complete flat. Δεν τερματίζει. Okay, it's going in nicely, but I want to follow the instructions a little more, and I'm going to take her off and clean the threads and put some brake fluid. But it's very important to start it smooth and correctly. Look at that, very important. Okay, you would estimate about 5 threads to go straight in before you start. You see, there is dirt on it. It's alright, let me clean everything. I'm not going to put oil. I'm going to use a vacuum to take anything in there, because I'm worried about the oil. The Loctite is not going to stick. And I'm debating if I should use blue or red. I have both of them. Alright, let's clean it up. So I'm gonna use 243, the blue one, because it's not really any pressure in there. I'm worried a little bit about the temperature, but if I need, I'm gonna finally, when I remove the engine mounts on the rear and on the front, I'm gonna take her off the oil tank and put it a time plug, what they call it. I will do it a little bit more professionally. Okay, just make sure one more time it's clean. It's not very clean yet. I use brake fluid on the tip because I don't want to put brake fluid into the tank. And still a little bit dirty, but also we have to make sure all around here is very smooth. I use the file to smooth this little edge a little bit. Okay. Yeah, I am a little bit nervous with the whole thing. Now the worst scenario, I'm just gonna lose the mounts and, you know, take the oil tank off and take it to a machine shop. But I want to do this later, maybe next year, when I change the engine mounts. Okay, it's not bad. Now let it dry a little bit. See how nice and smooth goes in? That's the way you want it. And start getting stiff right there. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna stop right here and just hand tight it, and that's it. I'm not gonna go anymore. But right now it's tightening. little more. Okay. Okay. And this is the plug. And the instruction says when you remove it to change oil, hold the outside nut, of course, right? Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like that. It says 14-inch pounds, but you know what? I will just hand tight it really snug, and that's it. Alright, let's see if it's gonna work. I'm gonna be putting oil next time. Okay, I use the old engine oil so I can take it off and clean up what's left on it in there, and I might just put a magnetic filter. I'm thinking about it. It goes in slowly because it has a little filter here. I'm gonna leave it 10 minutes, then I'm gonna see if there's any leak there. I don't think so, but we'll see. Alright, no leaks. Yep, it's holding pretty good. Let you know in the comments if we'll have a leak in the future. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.